This video we will see the product review of Samsung Galaxy Z Flip6 5G. The Samsung Galaxy Z Flip6 5G is a compact and stylish foldable smartphone. It offers advanced technology, a unique design that flips open and shut, and all the features you would expect from the modern smartphone. This device combines portability with innovation, perfect for users who want something different yet powerful. If you want to buy this smartphone, please see the link in this video description. Now we will see key product features. First one is foldable design. A sleek clamshell design that folds in off for portability and unfolds into a full screen smartphone. Next one is cover screen. A 3.4-inch external display for quick notifications, selfies, and quick actions. Next one is main display. A 6.7-inch AMOLED display with vivid colors and smooth scrolling at 120 Hz refresh rate. Next one is camera. 50 MB main camera plus 12 MB ultra wide camera and 10 MB front camera with features like flex cam for hands free photos. Next one is performance. This smartphone is powered by a Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor for seamless multitasking. This smartphone comes with 4000 mAh dual cell battery with fast charging support. This smartphone support 5G connectivity, so the internet speed will be fast. This smartphone made with Gorilla Glass Victus 2 and water resistant. It has IPX8 rating. This smartphone has AI features, smart suggestions for photo editing, performance optimization, and battery management. This smartphone has AI powered camera, dual rear cameras with AI enhancements for superior photography. This smartphone has Flux mode, which enables hands free operations for video calls, selfies, and more. When you unbox, you will see Samsung Galaxy Z Flip6 5G smartphone, USB-C charging cable, SIM ejector tool, and a quick start guide. And no charger included in the package. You have to buy separately. Now we will see technical details. Processor is Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 3. Camera 50 MB main camera plus 12 MB ultra wide camera and 10 MB front camera. Connectivity, it supports 5G, Wi-Fi 6E, Bluetooth 5.3. This smartphone comes with 8 GB RAM. This smartphone comes with 256 GB or 512 GB storage. This smartphone comes with 4000 mAh battery, 25 watts wired and 50 watts wireless charging. Weight is 187 grams. Main display has 6.7-inch FHD plus dynamic AMOLED and 120 Hz. Cover display has 3.4-inch Super AMOLED display. And operating system is Android 14 with One UI 6. This smartphone has water resistance. It is IPX8 certified. Submersion up to 1.5 meter for 30 minutes. Pros and cons. First, we will see the pros. Unique and stylish foldable design. Compact size and easy to carry. Powerful performance with Snapdragon 8 Gen 3. AI enhanced camera for excellent photos. Vibrant displays with excellent brightness. Durable and water resistant. Flex mode for hands free convenience. Next, we will see cons. Battery life is average for heavy users. No telephoto lens for zoom photography. Expensive compared to traditional smartphones. Charger is not included. No micro SD card slot for storage expansion. In US dollars, this smartphone price is $999. In Indian rupees, this smartphone is 85,000 rupees. Now we will see customer positive feedback. First point is stylish design. Customers love the compact size and premium look. Second point is performance. Smooth performance and multitasking capabilities. Third point is cameras. High quality photos and videos, even in low light. Fourth point is durability. Improved hinge and water resistance appreciated. Fifth point is portability. Easy to carry and fits in small packets. Now we will see the conclusion. The Samsung Galaxy Z Flip6 5G is a bold and stylish smartphone that offers cutting edge technology in a foldable design. It is perfect for those who want something unique and compact while enjoying flagship level performance. If you value style, innovation, and portability, then Galaxy Z Flip 6 5G is an excellent choice.